incredible. Make some noise for yourself right now.
I'm going to go out and say it. This has been the city I've been looking forward to playing the most. Pretty much every one of my favourite bands comes from this city. Fall Out Boy, the Academy. I've played this place since I've been a teenager, so thank you for having us.
So like I said earlier, this is our first tour of the United States. Thank you so much for being a part of that. But this is by no means our last tour of the US. We're on something this summer called the Vans Warped Tour. So it sounds like we might just see you there. That is fantastic news. We'll be hanging out on the Journey stage all summer. We'd love to meet you guys. Thank you. Speaking of which, we're going to play a brand new song, which is coming out on our debut album called Never Happy Ever After in about 3 weeks' time. Are you guys excited to hear that? Cool.